Hey guys, what's up? It has been an incredibly gloomy and rainy day, and I will say it's starting to mess with my mood so much that I actually ended up purchasing some plants. So yeah, I kind of broke my own rule on this because I had made a promise to myself that I wouldn't buy anything that is in the 3-digit price range because plant prices are going down. But you know what? I broke my rule even harder this time because this isn't even like a legit plant. It's still a seedling, but it's gonna grow to be a beautiful plant. I promise you that. So let's get into this video. I'm excited to show you guys what I had gotten. All right, so I already started opening up this box. Now, the seedlings that I have purchased is from Hector, also known as the Urban Foliage. So cute. So like I said, also known as the Urban Foliage. Now I am gonna go ahead and throw up his like Instagram for you guys so that we can just all take a moment to appreciate his Instagram page, because everything about it is like chef's kiss. It's super aesthetic, and I wish that I had that type of setup, and or just had like an idea of, I guess, like a specific type of plant that I was into, so that I could have taken photos like that. But yes, I have here my 2 Anthuriums. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a photo of the parents of this one. Now, from my understanding, I have picked up a Anthurium Dark Phoenix that is crossed with a Anthurium Luxurian. So this is supposed to have like a little leaf, and oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. Look at this little tiny leaf. I don't know what it is about little leaves that just get me, but yeah, this is just super cute. I love this. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like in the future. That's for sure. And yeah, I just envision very dark, very velvety, with like a sheen. Like the sheen would be coming from the luxuriance. So excited for that. I don't see any roots happening yet. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of leave it in here and leave it alone. Like I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna let it root in here for now. And this guy is supposed to be an Anthurium Dark Phoenix that was crossed with itself. You know what I'm trying to say. This is supposed to be the Dark Phoenix. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a picture for you guys from his Instagram, what the mother plant looked like, while I unravel this. Like, just the photos that he takes just makes me want them that much more. So looking at his Dark Phoenix, it's like, she's beautiful, like super dark, super velvety, and like she almost has like some textures as well. So that's, I don't know, that it does something for me. And I know that like I'm usually into Anthuriums that have like silver veins that are shiny, but you know what, I feel like I'm like on either end. Like either it's gonna be very silvery, very shiny, or it's gonna be like very dark and very velvety. Something in between. I'm just like, it kind of looks like a what is it? Like a crystallinum. That could be blasphemous. I could be saying something terribly wrong right now, but like I just feel like anything in between is like, it's like a crystallinum, you know? Whereas like when you're looking at a silver blush, very silvery, the way that it bleeds, very pretty, and the way that it dances in the sun, you know, that to me is like extreme end. What else? The Anthurium Dorayaki. I mean, I don't know. The only thing about that plant is the fact that it's like very round. It's very round and very silvery. So yeah, I mean, what I'm trying to say is I just feel like I either go for like the extremes. So here we go. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. Oh, let's just take a moment, please. Beautiful. I mean, I know it just looks like just an anthurium because all anthurium seeds look the same. Like the seedlings, they start to, when they grow, they kind of all look the same. But I mean, this one has potential and I'm excited to see what it's gonna grow into, just because it was self with itself. So I am gonna just envision that it's gonna be even more dark and velvety, and just it's gonna grow up to be very big because the mother plant was huge. And I'm actually trying to remove this right now so that I can see what it's currently in. I think this is just in moss and perlite. Okay, I'm not gonna mess around with that. I'll do that off camera. I don't want to break anything. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very cute. And this was like my little splurge right over here. So I feel like seedlings or hybrids are really making like a huge comeback. Like I feel like in the beginning of at least my plant journey, I found that everyone was like a purist. Everyone was all about like, I want to know the lineage of this plant. If it's not like a true crystallinum or whatever, like nobody wanted it. But now everyone is like, oh, like that's crossed with the luxuriant, that's crossed with the whatever. I need to have that. So I feel like currently right now, the only thing that's driving the plant market are these hybrids. And you know what? I think that's great because now we're gonna have like a new type of plant, I wouldn't say new species, but you know what I mean. It's just, it's interesting to see what we come up with now. And from there, people are gonna take the different characteristics or a specific characteristics of a plant and then continue to cross and produce more of them. So yeah, the plants will continue to live on. And then eventually we're not gonna have any like purebred plant. Is that a thing? I think that's a thing. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, that was my unboxing. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna pop this into my little exo tank back there and just kind of let them acclimate, continue to put off new roots before I move them on over to what is that, to my mixture of tree fern fiber and ponds. This one I feel like I'm gonna have to leave alone for like ever. maybe next year it'll actually graduate from out of here into like an actual cup, but we will see. Yeah, because like right now I just don't see anything. Like I don't see any roots. It's probably still like just a little seed. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.